Hey everyone, I am really excited about today's video because I think I have the perfect product that can help you style your hair in a variety of ways. And I'm talking about One Clay. If you already have One Clay, then you already know how great it is. What I'm going to be sharing with you is really valuable information on feedback from friends, family, customers, and what makes this product so unique and why it's called One Clay. Well, I wanted something, and if you have no idea who I am, I'm Steven, the Salon Guy. I've been a licensed hair professional for over 30 years, working in numerous salons, working for major beauty companies, and I have a full range of hair products, One Clay, and hair tools. One Clay falls under like my legacy category of products, which is more of a user-friendly, salon type of product. Usually, always, I would say the formulas are very consistent. There's never any, batching issues, unlike some of my other products, like in my crafted lineup and other things that have had some challenges throughout the years. But this and other products in my legacy lineup, like Control Cream, or even the old school ones like Clutch or Clutch XL, all those types of products, those usually are like perfect all the time. So One Clay, it's a cream, it's a pomade, and it's a hair clay. I wanted the first ever 3-in-1 product. And the one thing that makes this so unique, and what I hear from the feedback from people, is they're like, this is my go-to. Like, whether they're wearing more of a, kind of a quiff type of hairstyle or a short texture type of hairstyle, something that is, maybe a bit more slick back, some volume. This has been the go-to for many people. And I don't really talk about One Clay enough, right? And what's so cool about it is the packaging. Check out the packaging. It's in a box. You've seen this kind of packaging before. It's nothing new. However, it's new to my lineup. And then just pop open the hood and there it is, right? A very creamy type of product. I'm going to go over the ingredients and the fragrance notes in a bit. It's a very versatile, user-friendly product. And a lot of people, customers, friends, family, they're all saying that this is their go-to. This is their favorite because it just performs over and over again. Another thing that's unique is the ability to restyle your hair with this product. So I've heard from numerous people that they're like, oh, I wore it the day before, I woke up, and I just was able to restyle my hair. Like it was nothing changed. Like I didn't even sleep on my head. It was amazing. I restyled it and it went right back into place. It's great for adding volume and fullness. It's really a unique product. And as a hair professional, I've worked with many products, even having my own. I can confidently say this is a go-to for a number of reasons. And when I was testing this, I was like, there was a couple of things I wasn't crazy about initially. Went through, maybe 1 or 2 batch formulations to make this perfect. And during my testing, and that's what I do, is anytime I'm launching a product, I test it, I smell it, the fragrance, everything has to be perfect before I launch it. And as I was working this into my hands, I was like, during the testing phase, I applied it in a variety of different ways and breakdowns, meaning I worked it through my hands all the way, not all the way. And I'm like, boy, this leaves a different type of texture and feeling to the hair with each application and the way I work it into and I go, that's it. This is a unique product. It's a 3-in-1, something that gives extreme versatility and pliability to someone's hair, depending on how you mix it into your hands and apply it to the hair. It's unreal. So what's cool about this, and I'm going to share my screen right now, is this is the screen right here. I'm sorry, my website right here. And first of all, just the presentation of this alone, I really love how good this looks. I mean, look at the packaging, the marketing of this. It's unreal. So this is shop.thesalonguy.com. Also, if you click on view products, you can actually buy it right here in this, from YouTube, from my store, which is connected to this. You can also buy this with Prime. So you can get this on Amazon directly, or if you buy it here, it's actually going to be shipped to you and you get it next day. Now, there are a couple of perks to my store is, I've got the rewards, a couple other perks, discounts and things like that, where Amazon doesn't have that. I also have a bulk deal on this. If you're a, barbershop or a hair salon and you're looking to retail these, I actually have, I believe it's a 50 pack, and I mail them out to you. It's a great opportunity to retail this. If you want that many and you want to save, it's a tremendous savings. If you're buying these for yourself, if you want to use this to like gift to people or whatever, then I also have this available, which I ship directly from my own office in New Jersey. And you can see here the breakdown of what this is. So we've got, it's a hair cream, depending on how you mix it into your hands. That's probably the first layer of how you style it, is as a hair cream, which you just lightly scoop it through your hands. You work it through. It's going to be its most creamy. And then the next one is if you work it into your hands to where you still see some product, like a light sheen. It's going to be similar to a light pomade with not as much shine as your traditional pomade, but it still has some shine, good for slick backs. And then if you work it all the way into your hands to where you don't see any product, then you apply it to the hair, which a lot of people like. Then it's your traditional kind of clay, but a very, very pliable type of clay. Also, I'm a fragrance fanatic, and check out these fragrance notes. Top note of bergamot, middle of calendula, and then the base of amber. So it's a very fresh, clean scent with a more warm, modern, sophisticated finish. And then for the ingredients, it is a water-based product. It does have beeswax. So you will feel a slight wax texture to it, carnauba wax, and then kaolin clay. So it's got a mixture of ingredients that's why it's a kind of an all-in-one. And then you have some preservatives in here, which are really important because a lot of times what happens is they're so focused on, oh, my product contains 2 ingredients. It's like, well, it's going to also grow mold and go bad within a week or 2. So this has the right amount and safe ingredients that are going to make sure it's got a good shelf life and to prevent it from growing bacteria and mold and all sorts of contamination and stuff that all these other products that have, 3.5 ingredients. It's like, okay, well, whatever. So it's really a phenomenal styling product, great for people with shorter hair. Even if you have finer hair, maybe you have hair that's 3-4 inches long on top, you're looking for a slick back, more of a pompadour, something that's got, good pliable, medium hold, a light hold, or somewhat of a medium to firm hold. This really is a unique product. And I'm so excited about this, and it comes in a really unique package. What you can do is just you pop open the hood just like that, and boom, there it is, right? Scoops out very easily, and I'm really, really excited about this. So I really invite you to explore One Clay. You've got a variety of options. I need to talk about this more, I think, because I have so many products in my range. This has become a favorite and go-to for a lot of people. And yeah, it's a phenomenal product. So I invite you to explore it and check it out. And I hope you enjoyed this kind of new setup that I'm doing. So I'm going to be doing a lot of video content like this, and I had a lot of fun. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon.